Hey brother, I'm expecting you. Today, as I mentioned, we got a very, very cool unveiling. Today I'm picking up a very special McLaren that I factory ordered a few months ago. Got the GTR in the garage, so obviously we're gonna ride out in style, take a supercar to pick up the supercar, and hop on in and we'll get going. Oh man, Jack, are you ready, bro? I hit you with the black and white. You don't even know what color it's gonna be. Oh, I can't. Bro, months of waiting, man. Just go with the flow, bro. Have a conversation. Don't think about it. All right, tell me when you're ready.
I'm recording.
Oh, so you ready, bro?
Are you ready?
You ready, bro?
Are you ready?
Yo, you ready, bro?
Are you ready?
Are you ready, bro?
I'm about to take over Long Island.
Holy crap! It's today, bro. Today. You ready to see it? I don't think you're ready.
I'm a little nervous.
I don't think you're ready.
I'm scared.
Oh man, all right, so we're just filling up for gas now. Got my boy Kevin in his Huracan over there. We're gonna meet up with the rest of the crew, get together. We got 2 stops on the way there, and that's it. Sit along for the ride, we'll get driving now. So you keep your friends out of trouble. It's cop signals. So you did have to get approved for it. But that's the same thing. They say that with Ferrari though, but there's loopholes. Ford, McLaren will burn you. Bro, they put you on blacklist, you don't even know you're on them. They won't send you an email.
So if you sell your LC approved them just because.
A lot of cars heading to Jersey. This guy getting a new one.
Jersey.
Jersey. See you there.
All right, so we're on the LIE, which is a war zone of potholes right now. In front of me, we got a couple of supercar friends. We're all trying to drive the speed limit because that's the hardest part when you're driving a supercar is keeping it under 55. But on our way, the excitement's building up now. We're 45 minutes away from seeing this thing for the first time. I'm like anxious, excited, a lot of emotions going on at once. The importance to this one, obviously, being a car fanatic my whole life, it's just crazy to be driving to an exotic dealership with a bunch of your friends. This time's a little different because I actually built this car, custom built for me. It was a longer process, but I'm just excited to see what it looks like because again, on a computer building it and with words doesn't wrap up the whole mentality of what it's actually going to be. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I didn't think I would be in this position. It doesn't happen overnight where you just say, I'm going to go buy a supercar. But what has always been in my mind was that I will own one. I've never doubted that I'd have one of these. It's just when it was going to happen, and it happened sooner than I thought. This is for the 13-year-old Dave that used to mouthwater whenever he saw supercars. This is it. This is the dream come true. This is the moment that you work your whole life for. and you guys are about to see it unveil for the first time.
I wanna know, is time moving backwards or is it slow? I wanna know, did AI need that practice? I wanna know, will I see you back home or on the road? Yeah, will I see you back home or on the road? Back and forth just ain't enough. I know my schedule was tough. You say it's never just us, and it's too loud in these clubs, and I give all of it up. If I thought it was love, if I thought it was love, how do we know what we have works in the cold? There's nowhere to know. Summer's over, back on the road, and how do we know?
We're ready to sign it out. It's right over there under the cover. I can't, now it's sunk in, bro. Now it's going down. So as long as I get approved, he told me he's got a great rate, 25.99. So I'm just gonna pay at least like 8 million over 30 years, he said. And I gotta say something about Johnny. Johnny made this deal happen. Just to give you an idea, I did speak to a few stores locally. Their store was accommodating, did everything I needed to make this car happen. If it wasn't for the numbers they were willing to do and how accommodating with my old cars, because I had a couple things I had to work out, this car would have never happened. So thank you to Johnny and everyone at Mclaren North Jersey. If you need a salesman, speak to Johnny. He knows what he's talking about and he'll get you done.
Turn me up in the headphone. Yeah. Grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible.
All right, we're live. Let's see it.
Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and buy my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and buy my nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and buy my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah, all I know is get paper. All I do is shit major. Bought a condo on the top floor and the building's a skyscraper. Feeling like I'm Kobe, LeBron for the Lakers. Feeling like I'm Idris, Paul Walker, Taker. New Rollie, no diamonds in it. New Porsche, all dimes in it. I'm infatuated with fine women. Corona extra with the lime in it. Just a chase to Henny. Used to be a penny pincher. Now I'm in plenty business. Grind hard, nigga, on guard.
Grind hard, nigga, on guard.
Yeah. We grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of gold. Stack that bread and buy my nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah.
I don't know. I gotta sleep on it. I still gotta sleep on it to process all my my feelings about it. But it's unreal. It's absolutely. I mean, I was a McLaren fan before. Auto start stop. Why did they do that? This blows it away. This blows it away. I've been in a lot of different supercars, Lambos, McLarens, Ferraris. The speed this has is just it's ridiculous. I mean, there's no other word. It's just literally ridiculous. Crazy?
It's ridiculous.
Crazy?
I've never felt anything that fast.
It's just scary.
Anything is possible. I lean with it, I rock with it. Locks under my socks fitted. Tahoe with the black tint. Houston girl, heavy accent. But my whole swag is magic. High five, fantastic. Make the money stretch like elastic.
Ceiling. Oh god, I just put a neutral. And now I play. Hold on. He breaks up. We good. I play around. Testing. All right, Jack, we spent all day together. We parked the car, we got it in the garage, the lift works, everything works. I can't explain how crazy today was. I hope you had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the reveal. McLaren, props to you guys. You killed it again. Absolutely blows away any other exotic I've driven in it, and I've been in a lot of them. The speed is mental. Again, I think I said it before. you need a different type of driver's license to drive one of these. I do want to take a moment to just say thank you to everyone who made this happen. Dreams don't come true by yourself. You have friends that support you, family that supports you, and clients that continue to support me and what I do, which until gets me these dreams and goals that I'm looking to accomplish. So with that being said, I'm a little tired from all the excitement today. Thank you for following along. Jack, you're going to have to get out. I'm going to go to bed. I'm probably going to throw a sleeping bag in here tonight. And tomorrow I wake up and get to be in heaven. I'll see you later.